How to deactivate Messenger from Facebook. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. If you're also trying to deactivate your Messenger only, let me tell you that it is not possible. You cannot deactivate your Messenger only. You'll also need to deactivate your Facebook in order to deactivate your Messenger. So if you want to learn how you can do this, make sure you watch this video until the end. So firstly, let's head over to Facebook and then tap on the menu icon on the top right. From here you can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Inside of the settings of Facebook under accounts, you'll see access and control. Tap on this option. Tap on deactivation and deletion. Choose the deactivate account option. Tap on continue and then type in the password of your Facebook. Next you'll need to choose a reason of deactivating it. Tap on continue. And lastly, you can choose the automatic reactivate or manual reactivate. You can choose these number of days to activate it automatically, or you can also choose on don't reactivate automatically. Once you're done, tap on continue and tap on deactivate my account and your Facebook will be deleted. Now this is the process of deactivating your Facebook only. Other people won't be able to see your Facebook account, but will be able to still see you on Messenger. So once your Facebook is deleted, you'll need to open up your Messenger. Tap on the three lines on the top left, tap on settings on the top right, and if you scroll down to the bottom, tap on legal and policy, and here underneath third-party notices, you'll see an option of deactivate Messenger. Only after you deactivate your Facebook, you will have that option. So you can easily tap on it and your Messenger will be deactivated. So that is the only thing that you can do if you want to deactivate your Messenger account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.